What if owning a car was as simple as subscribing to your favorite streaming service? Imagine a world where you don't need to worry about hefty down payments, maintenance costs, or even the depreciating value of your vehicle. This is the future of car ownership, a shift from the traditional model of buying and owning to a more flexible, subscription-based model. Just like you subscribe to Netflix or Spotify, you could subscribe to a car service, choosing a model that fits your needs and budget. You only pay for what you use when you use it, introducing a pay-as-you-go model for cars. This new approach to car ownership not only brings in convenience but also affordability, making mobility accessible to a wider audience. This is a revolution in personal transportation, a paradigm shift in how we perceive car ownership. So the question is, how does AI make this model possible? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the driving force behind this revolutionary car ownership model. At the heart of pay-as-you-go car models, AI plays a pivotal role. It's like a conductor, orchestrating a symphony of services and processes. Let's dive into how AI enables this dynamic model. Firstly, AI is instrumental in tracking usage. By analyzing data from various sensors in the vehicle, AI can accurately measure how much a customer is utilizing the car. This data-driven approach allows for transparent, usage-based billing, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring customers only pay for what they use. Secondly, AI ensures security. Modern cars are complex machines, and with complexity comes the potential for misuse. AI can detect unusual patterns in usage or behavior that may indicate fraud or theft. It can also control access to the vehicle, ensuring only authorized users can drive the car. Thirdly, managing subscriptions is a breeze with AI. It can handle everything from registration to renewal and even cancellation of subscriptions, all while providing a seamless user experience. It can also personalize plans based on user preferences and driving